Welcome back to Station for Learning, where complex concepts become simple and fun to learn. Today, we're talking about an important topic in statistics: correlation coefficients, scatterplots, and what they tell us about relationships between variables. We'll also explore a common confusion: correlation versus causality. So let's get started. Let's begin with something visual: a scatterplot. A scatter plot is simply a graph that shows how two variables relate to each other. If we plot hours studied on the x-axis and test scores on the y-axis, each point on the graph represents one student. If the dots go upward together, higher study hours mean higher scores. That's a positive relationship. If one goes up while the other goes down, that's a negative relationship. If the dots are scattered randomly, there's no relationship. The correlation coefficient, often written as R, is a number that shows how strong or weak the relationship is between two variables. The value of R ranges from 1 to plus 1. R equals plus 1. Perfect positive correlation, both increase together. R equals 1. Perfect negative correlation, one increases, the other decreases. R equals 0. No correlation at all. If R equals plus 0, E5. Strong positive correlation. If R is 0.70. Strong negative correlation. If RR equals 0.10. Very weak or no correlation. The closer R is to plus 1, the stronger the relationship. Once we know that two variables are correlated, we can make predictions. If we find that more study hours are linked with higher test scores, we can predict that students who study longer will probably perform better. But remember, this is a probability, not a guarantee. Now comes the most important part. Correlation is not the same as causation. Just because two things happen together doesn't mean one causes the other. Ice cream sales and sunburns both rise in summer. Does buying ice cream cause sunburn? Of course not. The real cause is hot weather, a third variable affecting both. So correlation shows a relationship, but it doesn't prove why it happens. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Scatterplots show how two variables move together visually. Correlation coefficient, AHAR, tells how strong that relationship is. Prediction helps estimate outcomes based on relationships. Correlation, causation, related variables don't always mean one causes the other. And that's how correlation helps us understand relationships between variables, but always with a cautious eye on causality. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Station for Learning, and hit the bell icon for more easy explanations of educational concepts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.